What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WIDEBODY Nation. We are putting the Titan split 5-spoke wheels on the 2022 WRX. As you guys can see, I am mid-switch. I've been running these Titan 18 by 9.5 forged wheels on the 2019 Subaru WRX S209. We already have half of the 2022 WRX wheels on there, and it looks ridiculous, but they're just shop wheels for now. We're getting these bad Larrys on the back, and as you guys can see, they are already on the front. I'm gonna remind you guys of the specs of these wheels again. They're from Cobb, they're gold, 18 in diameter, 9.5 in width, and I'm running a 265 40/18 tire, so it is quite meaty. You guys can see it fills up the wheel well pretty well. Yes, there's probably still gonna be a 2 or 3 finger gap right here, but hey, on stock suspension, I promise you guys, you're gonna like the way it looks. I guarantee it. I'm pretty sure that's from like a commercial or something, but let me get to it. Let me go ahead and finish swapping them over. A couple reminders when you guys do wheels though, there's little things, right? So when you do wheels for this car, you wanna make sure that the hub bore size is correct, and I'm going from Subi to Subi, so I wasn't really worried about that. I think it's like 56 or 57 millimeters, something like that. Look it up, I'll put it in the comments below. Lug nuts are the other thing. The stock Subaru Acorn lug nuts are garbage.com, so make sure you guys go with something. Those are Titan wheels. I have raised lug nuts, and one of them is locking as well. So just a little bit of added security there. But with that being said, let me go ahead and switch these up real quick so that we can get a full setup here, and then you guys can see how it sits down, how it looks out in the light, etc., etc. All right, so we got all 4 Titan7 wheels on. Again, these are the split 5-spoke from Cobb. I really like them. They're super light. These 18 by 9.5s with a Meteor tire are even lighter than the stock WRX, which I believe are 18 by 8s, and they only come with a 245 with also low profile with a 35 profile on there. So let me know what you all think in the comments below. We're looking at about solid 3 finger gap in the rear, which probably what it was before, and then we got 3 finger gap in the front, so similar to before but fills it up more in my opinion. And as far as we are poking by a little bit, so I mean for just throwing some Subaru wheels on there, we're looking pretty good. But let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Hit the like button while you're down there, and stay tuned for the next mod. Stay safe out there. I'll see y'all for the next video.